Hi there, students. Scuffle. A scuffle, a noun. To scuffle, a verb. Okay, a scuffle is a small fight, a disorderly struggle at close quarters where two people are grappling with each other. A small brawl. There was a scuffle outside the pub last night, and John ended up with a black eye. There was a scuffle between two of the players and the referee sent them off. So a fight, a scrap, an affray, a punch-up, a ruckus, a fracas, an altercation, a clash, a bit of argy-bargy, a tussle, to grapple. So it's a small fight or struggle when two people are arguing and maybe they push and shove each other and it's confused and disordered. It's unclear what's happening. The two men scuffled for a few moments and suddenly one of them was on the ground. I guess you could use this verb figuratively, or the noun figuratively, to mean a fight, a verbal fight, but it's not very common. There was a verbal scuffle between the two about who would go first, but most commonly to a scuffle or to scuffle, this is fighting, it's physical. The demonstrators scuffled with the police. His shirt had been ripped in the scuffle. Let's see, you can also use this verb or noun to mean to shuffle, but a shuffling walk where you drag your feet along the ground. An old man may shuffle. He shuffled into the room. Shh, shh, shh. And I guess there's some onomatopoeia in this. I could hear the scuffle of feet. Yeah, he scuffled into the room. There is also another meaning, a scuffle hoe. A hoe is a garden tool to get rid of weeds. And you have a Dutch hoe, which you could also call a shuffle hoe or even a scuffle hoe. Yeah? And you shuffle it, you move it backwards and forwards. Okay, next question. What about formality? I think a scuffle, I'd probably give this a 5 in formality. You could definitely use it in an informal conversation. You could use it in something semi-formal, but I think something very formal, you're better off using something like a fight or an affray or a fracas, something like that, in something very formal. But use it semi-formally without problems. Notice as well, to scuffle is a regular verb. They scuffled for a few minutes. They have scuffled before. And then origin. Well, I think it probably comes from Proto-Germanic through Scandinavian. There's a Swedish verb, skuffa, meaning to push. And pushing is definitely part of a scuffle. In English, it's probably related to the words shove, to push hard, and to shuffle your feet. So, a scuffle, a small fight, a small altercation, a punch-up. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Scuffle.